You remember our Thor case, right?
Yes.
It's a pretty famous and got a lot of work. This is a Throne.
Throne. Okay.
This is the white version.
White version of the
flavors,
Throne.
white
Okay.
and black.
White and
the
black.
white one will come with blue LED fans.
Okay.
The black one will come with red LED fans.
Red LEDs.
And these are all 140 millimeter fans. Two in the front, two in the top, one in the rear. There's a 230 millimeter side fan. This can be removed to support 4 additional 120 millimeter fans. Toolless locks for the 5 1/4, supports up to 3. One external 3 1/4, 3 1/2, I'm sorry. Up to 10 hard drive
Up to
bays.
10 hard drive bays.
And 10 add-on PCI slots as well.
Okay.
It'll support the largest video card you can add in, I think up to 14, 15 inches.
And those are two, are they 140s?
140s.
Okay.
The front panel door is a push door. Push to open.
Okay.
By default, it's left to right open. But you can change it so that you can open it from right to left.
Okay. So you can change
the front
that.
panel and swap it over to the side here. It comes with the power button here. There's a reset button at the very top. And there's the button here to turn on and off the LED lights of the fan.
Okay.
And at the top, you have your 2 USB 3.0 ports, 4 USB 2.0. And for the fan controllers, we introduced sliders instead of knobs. Each control can control up to 4 fans each.
Okay.
And we've also introduced a hard drive dock at the top, which can support a 2.5 inch or a 3.5 inch hard drive.
Oh, okay.
And you have the ventilated top pin fans. Right now they're open to give you a more aggressive look and more airflow, but you can close it so that you can prevent dust from collecting up.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
The lights will be like a regular.
Okay, so this is the black version of the Throne.
Yes.
Everything is identical except for the front LED fans.
Okay, so they're red. All right. Armor Revolution.
Armor Revolution is right here.
All right.
It's on this guy.
Got you.
So this is the first mid-tower that supports EATX motherboards. That also has USB 3.0. There's 2 of them there on the front.
Okay.
It'll come with 2 red LED 120 millimeter lights, 2 120 on the top, 1 120 on the rear, and a 230 on the side, which can also be removed to support 4 additional 120 millimeter fans. You can also install another 120 on the very bottom, so in all, it can support up to 12 fans total. And this case also allows you to disable the front fan LED lights as well. There's a button underneath this front panel here you can press to enable or disable the lights.
Okay.
In the top panel here, it can also support 2 140 millimeter fans.
Oh, okay.
If you want a more silent operation.
And this one, the MSRP is $119.99, and the street price will be like below $100.
Okay.
Which is a very good price for the mid-tower support EATX size.
Very good.
We just launched that one about 2 weeks ago.
Okay. This is the line.
That's the Line Glow.
Line Glow.
There's also a mid-tower as well. Only supports up to micro ATX motherboards or ATX. Comes with 2 USB 2.0 and 2 USB 2.0 ports in the front. We'll have 2 120 millimeter front blue LED fans on the front, and there's 1 120 millimeter LED on the top as well. 1 120 millimeter on the rear. And that's your standard, around $49.99.
Yeah,
Okay.
Entire case.
the MSRP.
Okay.
There's also the Line Edition, which comes without any LED fans. So it's just silent stealth mid-tower.
Okay.
And we also have the Line M, which is the micro ATX version.
All right. That's the one that's next to it.
This is the one we introduced because a lot of customers, they wanted USB 3.0 ports on their micro ATX computer cases. So we brought this in to fill that.
All right.
USB 2.0.
Okay.
They will both support eSATA, so you will have your connectivity options.
Mm-hmm.
It'll support 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch.
Okay.
2.5 inch up to 1 terabyte, and 3.5 inch up to 3 terabytes.
Okay.
If you're using Windows XP, then your limits to 2 terabytes.
Mm-hmm.
It'll support 2 hard drives at the same time.
Okay.
Very good. To the left of that, you have your Matus black enclosure. It has an 80mm fan in there and active cooling. We do also have a silver version, but the black one we just
That better run.
introduced.
Yeah.
The fan can be turned off or it can be controlled as well. There's a dial now on the back. And it will support a 3.5 inch hard drive up to 3 terabytes. Then it's USB 3.0 and eSATA.
Yeah. He's enjoying modeling as a career. He's trying to explore that.
To your
option.
left is our newly launched 2.5 inch
Yeah.
aluminum hard drive enclosure.
This one is available right now. It's selling very well.
It's $24.99. It'll support 2.5 inch hard drives, 9.5 millimeters, 12.5 millimeters, and up to 12.7 millimeters. It's USB 3.0 and it's SATA 1, 2, and 3.0. So it'll be very good for a solid state drive. You put one in there, it'll be blazingly fast.
Cool.